In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $1,000 on Clickbank. So basically this method is perfect for beginners, those who have never made money online. This is the right method for you, and this is exactly what you need to do to make your first $100 or $1,000 on Clickbank. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can enroll for this CPA marketing course and start making passive income every single day. So the first thing you want to do is quite obvious. All you need to do is to create a Clickbank account, as you can see right here. And also, if you notice, I make at least $1,000 every week on Clickbank, and you can see for today so far over $80. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this page for those who might be thinking this is an edited page or some fake screenshot. So basically, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to do in this video to set up this process, and you too can start making passive income on Clickbank. All you need to do is to come over to Google and you want to type in this phrase right here. Okay, the reason why you want to do this is because you want to filter questions from Quora that has one answer in your niche. And the reason why you want to go for questions that have one answer is because you have a much higher chance of your answer being seen on Quora. Okay, so basically once you do this, you want to make sure this niche right here, you want to change it to whatever niche you want. So for this video, I'm going to be taking the make money online niche as an example. All right, so I'm going to click on search right here. All right, so if you do that, you are going to see mainly questions that have few answers right here. You can see this one with just 6 answers. You can see this one with one answer, as you can see right here. You can see this is also another one right here, one answer right here. So basically, I'm going to be taking this one right here as an example. So if I open this one in a new tab, you can see this person asking this question is a 16-year-old asking about how to make money online without freelancing, dropshipping, and all that. Okay, and basically you can see someone here has answered this question right here. You can see this question has gotten almost 2,000 views on it. And if I scroll down, you can see the second question right here, almost 2,000 views as well. So before you start answering any question in your niche, you want to basically go back to Clickbank and you want to go over to the marketplace section. So once you come over here, you are going to see categories where you can choose and select any product form on Clickbank. So basically, I'm going to be taking this e-business and e-marketing since I'm using the make money online niche as an example. So once you do that, the first thing you want to do is you want to check the gravity score of the product, because that's going to tell you the number of affiliates who have made money with that product. Okay, so once you do that, you want to also make sure to go for product that have rebilling right here, because that is going to tell you how much you are going to make in passive income every single month as long as that person stays on that product. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this one right here as an example, which says get paid to review apps. All right, and if you notice, this question right here is asking how to make money without freelancing, without dropshipping right here. So basically this is a perfect answer for this question right here. And if this answer has gotten over 1,000 views right here, it means a lot of people are constantly searching for how to make money online without dropshipping and freelancing. So basically this product is going to be perfect right here, as all they just need to do is review apps and you are going to be making money. So as you can see right here, you are going to be making $48 when you make a successful sale for this product right here. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to click on this affiliate page right here. So once you click on that, you are going to see a lot of resources that has been provided by the vendor of this product that you can use for absolutely free. Okay, you can see right here there are various resources from landing pages, email swipe, banner, product, Facebook ad images, Pinterest, and whatnot. All right, so what you want to do from here is very simple. You want to go to this section that says short ad right here. You want to basically copy this right here. Okay, so you want to copy this. As you can see right here, basically they just need to write reviews about the filters on Snapchat. All right, and they are going to be making money. So basically you want to just copy this right here. You want to go back and answer this question with that template right there. So all you need to do from here is to click on this answer right here. And once you do that, you just want to basically paste in this right here. As you can see right here, $800 every week for trying out Snapchat filter. All right, so basically once you type all this right here, you want to make sure you change this affiliate link right here. You want to go back to Clickbank and you want to grab your affiliate link by clicking on this promote button and create uplink. So once you do that, you want to basically copy this and you want to shorten your link by coming over to Kotlin and you want to paste in your affiliate link right here. and you want to click on shorten. So once you do that, you want to copy your affiliate link and you want to go back to Quora and you want to basically remove the whole of this section right here and you want to type in try it out. So basically you want to write something like try it out here and you want to come over to this icon right here and you want to come over to this link icon and you want to paste in the shorten affiliate link right here and you want to click on add. So once you do that, as you can see right here, anyone who is looking for how to make money online without doing dropshipping, freelancing, they will get an opportunity to make money by basically just trying out filters on Snapchat. So once they click on that link, as you can see right here, they will be brought to the sales page of this product right here. And all they just need to do is to click on apply right here and they need to sign up for this product right here. And once they do, you make $48 right here. And also keep in mind, if you get 100 people every month to sign up for this product, you are already making $2,000 in passive income every single month from just this one product alone. So basically you want to come back to this page right here and you want to answer all of these questions right here. The more questions you answer, the more traffic you are going to drive to your affiliate link and the more sales you are going to make. And also keep in mind, you can see there's a next page right here that you can basically click on and answer more questions. So basically this is all you need to do and you can do this for as many niches of your choice. And also if you come back to the resources page, as you can see right here, they've made available videos that you can use to promote their products right here. Okay, you can see this a video right here that you can use. All you just need to do is to click here to download these videos. And what you want to do now is to basically go over to a website called tumblr.com. So basically this website traffic is predominantly United States and this website gets millions of visits every single month. So all you need to do is to create a Tumblr account, and once you do, you want to come over to this pen icon right here. And for those who don't know, Tumblr is basically a social media platform like the likes of Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So basically it's not as popular as the ones I mentioned earlier, but basically it still gets millions of visits every single month. So you want to click on this video right here and you want to basically upload the video you downloaded from the resource page right here. And you want to then give a short description like this right here, telling people they can make money reviewing apps right here. And you want to just basically add your Clickbank link right here. And also another important thing to note is you want to type in hashtags. All right, you want to type in hashtag make money from home. All right, so you want to type in related tags. Hashtags are very related to this product right here because you are going to be getting organic traffic from Tumblr. So once people search for keywords related to make money, okay, as you can see another one right here, make money without a job right here. These are hashtags people are looking for on Tumblr. And once they type this on the search bar, your video is going to pop up. And once they see this testimonial and review from this person right here, all they just need to do is to click on your link and they will be taken to this product page where if they purchase the product, you are going to make $48 and you are also going to make a recurring income of $20 per month as long as they remain on that product. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on this video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.